Ever since I added hot oil treatments to my routine, I've noticed a real difference in my first year throughout my 1 year hair growth journey. My hair feels fuller, looks healthier, retains moisture more, and I've also noticed better length retention. One thing I also love is how richer and darker my hair looks after each treatment. Speaking of moisture, my hair is feeling really dry right now and it definitely needs some TLC. So, let's revive this hair together and get started with today's hot oil treatment. Hi Sparkles, welcome and welcome back. So in today's video, I'll be showing you all how I do my hot oil treatment for longer, fuller hair and also to revive dry hair. Just so you know, I normally do this hot oil treatment as a pre-poo treatment. I haven't done it in a while because I've been preparing my hair with flaxseed gel. So sometimes I switch between this hot oil treatment and flaxseed gel depending on what my hair actually needs. And yes, I'm doing this on my mini braids. You can absolutely do this on your loose natural hair too. But I've noticed that the oil still penetrates my hair when it's braided and it's much easier to wash out afterwards. The procedure is pretty simple. I'm going to start by lightly spraying my hair with water just to dampen it. Damp hair helps the oil spread more evenly and helps lock in moisture rather than sitting on completely dry strands. Next, I'm applying this Ayurvedic hair growth oil that I've been infusing for 4 weeks now. I actually have a video where I show exactly how I made this rich herbal oil packed with rosemary, fenugreek, thyme, flaxseed, very powerful herbs. So I'll link it at the end of this video for you to check it out later. This bottle here was made using the hot infusion method and this one was also hot infused, but I left it to infuse for 4 weeks, making it more richer and more concentrated. You can probably tell the difference already. The longer infused oil is much darker. Now I'll add my Elan oil blend which contains coconut oil, olive oil, castor oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E oil and other nourishing oils. I'll mix everything together properly and transfer some into the applicator bottle. Then I will begin applying the oil throughout every section of my damp hair. One thing I love about hot oil treatments is that they help nourish the hair, improve softness, reduce dryness, support moisture retention, and give the hair a healthier appearance. For those of us with natural hair, especially low porosity hair, adding gentle heat can help the oils coat the hair more effectively and leave the strands feeling incredibly soft afterward. Now that I've applied the oil all over my hair, it's time for the heat treatment. Normally, I will cover my hair with a shower cap and place a warm damp towel over it. Nah, I'm just kidding. I've upgraded! Yippee! my victory dance. Come on, my happy dance. I'm so happy. Oh god. Y'all don't know what I've passed through. I've done the first version, which is to put the oil into a hot water just to make it slightly hot. I've also put the oil like that without warming it and then covered my hair with the bonnet and left it for like few hours or overnight. Like I've done all of that. But I'm so happy because I've upgraded. Yippee! So today I'll be using a steam cap for the very first time. Using it is actually very simple. It has this waterproof stuff on the inside, but still it's advised to place the steam cap over a shower cap or a processing cap. Then I'll use this drawstring stuff to adjust it to the size of my head. I'm telling you guys, I'm paid. You're laughing. Then I connect it to a power source. I turn it on like this and select my preferred heat setting. The turn on button is the first setting and it gives off lower heat, while the second setting gives off more heat as it should. Now that it's turned on, it's gradually warming up. The gentle heat helps to create the perfect environment for this treatment. I'm going to let it sit on my hair for about 30 minutes. I'm just kidding. I can leave it for about 15 to 30 minutes. So, me, I left it for like 20 minutes, Jare. Let me advance more. So, to clean it up, you just have to unzip the waterproof part and wash or rinse. After cleaning it up, you just zip it up back just like I show you here. And we are done! Now it's time to wash everything out. Sparkles, can you see the sweat? I'm really sweating, like, can you see? Oh, that's the steam right there. I just got anointed by the Holy Spirit. Hot oil. Oli. Anyway, so right now I'm going to head to the shower to wash my hair with the Elan mentholated shampoo and Nature's Gentle Touch instant conditioner. I'm skipping using the deep conditioner today because, as you can see, I've just finished deeply nourishing my hair. My hair is fully moisturized, and I even noticed that even after I shampoo my hair still feels soft. So a quick dose of moisture is okay. Alright, then I'm going to do a final rinse with my herbal hair tea. DIY herbal hair tea is made with rosemary and thyme. I've dropped the full tutorial in the video description below, so you can check it out later if you want to make it by yourself. Okay. I'm so tired, but I have to shower my hair. What am I saying? After washing, I let my hair dry slightly using a soft cloth. If you have a microfiber towel, you can use it. So now it's damp. I'm just going to moisturize my low porosity hair using the LCO method. First, I apply the Mediana leave-in conditioner to my hair strands only. Please avoid applying it on your scalp as it can clog your hair follicles and affect your hair growth. Next, I apply my DIY shea butter on my hair strands for the same reasons. Then I apply the oil to my scalp and also to my hair strand just to seal the moisture in and lock it all up. To finish everything off, I use my hair massager to gently massage my scalp Scalp massages feel amazing, helps to boost blood circulation to the scalp, and are a great addition to a healthy hair care routine. And that's it for today's hot oil treatment. My hair no longer feels dry, the moisture has been restored, and my strands feel fully nourished, soft, and healthy. This treatment always leaves my hair feeling so much better afterwards, and is definitely one of my favorite ways to give my hair a little extra love. And we're done for today's video. Please and please, if you enjoyed this video, if you learned a lot, if you found this video impactful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and most importantly, turn on the notification bell. It's right next to the subscribe button. So please switch it from off to on, okay? So that you see all my videos. You'll be the first person to see all my videos whenever I post. Please. If it's in personalized, you won't see everything. So please switch it from personalized to all. Okay? Alright. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, Sparkles. Mwah.